विसवा उपरांत तुमचे स्वागत. गोंय मनरिजवण संस्था 2018 राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार सन्मानित चित्रपटांचो महोत्सव आयोजित करपाची आसा. हो महोत्सव 25 मे ते 7 जून मजगती जातलो. हातूंत थळावे भाशेंतल्या ज्या फिल्माक राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार मेळ्ळा तातूंतली 23 फिल्मां ह्या महोत्सवाक स्क्रीन जातलीं म्हण माहिती गोंय मनरिजवण संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष राजेंद्र तालक हांणी दिल्या. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आनी गौतम शिरोडकार.
National Award winning film festival, which was held even last year. So this is the second time we are having National Award winning film festival from 25th May to 7th June. All the National Award winning films will be screened during this period. There are altogether 23 films which will be screened in almost 13 languages. The opening of this festival will be held on 25th May, that is Friday, at Mackinac Palace, and we'll be screening Kachcha Limbu and Pausacha Nibandh. That's a non-feature film, Pausacha Nibandh, that is around 25 minutes duration, and Kachcha Limbu around 2 hours. And directors of both the film, feature and non-feature film, that is Kachcha Limbu director is Prasad Oak, and non-feature film Pausacha Nibandh director Nagraj Manjure, the well-known person again, who made Sairat, and Fandry. Yeah, he is going to be there. Okay, and both of them will be present for the Q&A after the screening. Closing will be on 7th June, and film Village Rockstar, which is rocking everywhere at present. So Village Rockstar will be screened, and the director, this is Rima Das, will be present during the screening and for the question and answer. See, that आमचे कडेन capacity of Audi is only 220. Open, that's a good idea, but then we may include this film in the children film festival when it will be entirely only for children. See, that भुरगे हाडले आनी बाकी लोकांक पळोवपाक आमी because this is the festival at a different level. This we are not aiming for the children's film festival. This we have a different altogether goal. Developing film culture, then giving opportunity to go on film fraternity, because we have around 320 plus. If they decide to come for all entire, the theatre will be full. But I expect at least 25% to 30% of Goan film fraternity attend this festival, because you don't get chance. Other states are asking for this festival. We are lucky that DFF given to us. We are planning in December this year. Okay.
So the National Award winning films are screened only in Delhi and now in Goa. No other city screens these National Award winning films.